Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update Instagram on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Updating your Instagram feed on Squarespace requires refreshing or reconnecting the Instagram account if it's linked through the Squarespace built-in social media features. Now, if you are displaying your Instagram feed on your website, here's how to ensure it stays updated. Now, I want you to hover to the upper right corner once you're logged into your account and click the dashboard. From here, just choose the site that you are working with. In my case, this is going to be the website. I'm going to click on it. And from here, I'm going to click on the edit section. Right? If you haven't integrated your Instagram yet on your account, you might want to do so right here. You can add a block on this section right here. Hover down below where you can see the integrations that says Instagram. I want you to click on it, and from here, you see, you can basically edit the Instagram by clicking on the pencil icon. And all you have to do is to choose an account, all right? Choose an account or add an account. So if you haven't already, add an account. If you wanted to update, choose an account. But for now, we're going to add an account. And by doing so, in the pop-up window will appear, authorize Squarespace to connect this account to your site. Click on OK. And of course, from here, all I have to do is click on allow. And as you can see, I have already updated the Instagram account, all right? And from here, I was successfully to add one of my accounts. Now, if you wanted to update, you can simply click again on the box right here. There's going to be a pencil icon, and click that if you wanted to update. For example, you wanted to connect another account, click on the pencil icon. And from here, if you want to update, just click on the choose an account or add another account. That way, your Instagram feed on Squarespace should stay updated and continue displaying your latest post, enhancing user engagement and improves the overall user experience by showcasing the latest content. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.